Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. After that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now click on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my username and password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!